Hi, Anna from Lexan here to go over the LX S3 motorcycle Bluetooth speakers. Your first step after removing it from the box will be to connect it to your motorcycle's battery to power the unit on. There's 4 basic controls for the unit. The center control, which turns the unit on or off, the volume control by rotating the dial up and down, and the track control buttons on either side of the central control. Once you power the unit on,
Bluetooth.
It'll go into an initial pairing mode. We can take our cell phone, go into our Bluetooth settings, and search for available devices. It'll be listed as the LX S3. Once you're connected, you're ready to start playing some music. To skip the track or to replay the track, you can simply press the up or down track buttons. Another great feature of these speakers is that it comes with an external antenna with a 3M adhesive mounting tape on the bottom to connect it to your motorcycle. To get to the FM radio, simply press the center control button twice.
FM tuner.
And you're in FM mode. To tune the radio, simply press and hold the left or right toggle button. To go back to Bluetooth mode, we press the center control button twice again.
Bluetooth.
And it'll go right back to your previous Bluetooth settings. These speakers are made of a durable metal that's both water resistant and durable. It also comes with a great feature, the USB port, which can be used for an external MP3 player or as a port to charge your phone. Now that we've gone over the basic functions of the unit, let's go ahead and complete the installation and take them for a test ride. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. I'm going to grab my helmet.
The new MC720B all-terrain speaker and amplifier system is available and ready for your ride. The new system comes with a pair of 4-inch speakers and a 5.6-inch housing alongside their own adjustable mounting brackets. All driven by its high-powered amplifier and easily controlled by its wired remote volume knob. To install the MC720B system, start by screwing the brackets to the bottom of the speaker. Next, find a safe, ideal mounting location to fit the brackets over the chosen mounting bar. Now fasten the mounting screw after you review the safety of the mounting location. As a precaution, speakers should not be installed where they might inhibit any safety features of the vehicle. Be sure to run the wires securely and far away from any moving components. When running power to the amplifier, refer to the wiring diagram inside the user manual. Please note, each vehicle is different and may require a single-pole double-throw relay. Make sure you have a 12-volt power source. Once everything has been carefully mounted into place, you can now connect your speakers to the amplifier. All there's left to do now is power on the amplifier, pair and connect your Bluetooth device. Start your riding season off right with the new MC720B. Find more information at bossaudio.com.
Bye.
Hi, this is Daniel from Boss Audio Systems, here to show you our new MC425BA motorcycle speaker system. The new MC425BA comes with a pair of 3-inch full-range speakers with a built-in 600-watt amplifier for a quick, easy install, making your riding experience look good and sound great. It's really simple to install. All you need is a 3/4 open wrench and some wire crimpers. Before we start, here's some things you want to keep in mind. Be sure not to install any of the components or wires around any moving parts. Keep away from ignition parts, fuel lines, and any hot exhaust. The speakers should not be installed where they might inhibit safety features of the vehicle, such as lights, horn, or brake levers. Make sure to disconnect the negative terminal on the vehicle's battery to prevent any shorts from occurring. Now let's start with mounting the speakers. Find a safe, ideal mounting location to fit the bracket over the chosen mounting bars. Fasten the mounting screw after you review the safety of the mounting location. Now that the speakers are secure, let's wire it up. On pages 4 and 5 of the user's manual, you will see a wiring diagram showing a single pull double throw relay. After you wired up the speakers, you are now ready to apply power to your new system. Finally, use your player device and wire remote volume control to control the volume. To pair and connect your Bluetooth device to the MC425BA, enter Settings, Bluetooth Mode, Search, Boss MC425BA. So rev up your playlist and hit the road or the trails with your new MC425BA Chrome weatherproof motorcycle system.